So how many of you have been in positions where somebody said to you, well, I want you to learn the soft skills, communication, I want you to learn how to take care of yourself, and they were contrasted with what some people call hard skills, which are the technical, on-the-job, really important requirements. Here's what I'd like to do. I want to challenge you to stop calling them soft skills. They are not soft skills. They're human skills. Human skills are what people are asking for when they say, hey, I'd like to feel more engaged. I'd like to know who my manager is. I'd like to understand why this company is doing what it is. Every time that an employee says, I want to connect with the meaning, the mission of this company, what they're describing is a human attribute. This is not some sort of soft, fuzzy, muddle-headed kind of a statement. It's a human statement that comes from people's hearts and minds about what actually motivates them.